We are going to attempt a very steep climb that up until 2 years ago was only passable by the most die-hard Jeep and four-wheel drive vehicles. Yes, we are going to the top of Bell Mountain for the spectacular views of Lake Chatuge and 360-degree vistas revealing the mountains of Georgia, Tennessee, and North Carolina. The mountain is accessed by turning onto Shake Rag Road. There is a mile of sedate but narrow two-lane road which then disappears into a single track of very steep and winding asphalt. This access road was only paved in 2016 and had previously been a rough and rutted dirt road only passable by an elite few. The internet is full of cautions relating to the steepness and narrowness of this road. Passing oncoming traffic can be a challenge in a car, let alone an actual truck camper, but we were up for the challenge. Yoli climbs the 115 steps to the top of the viewing platform. The viewing platform at the top allows viewing from an elevation of 3,424 feet. There were definitely swarms of some sort of flying insect when we were there. We headed back down the mountain and into the town of Hiawassee, where we pulled into the highly recommended Monte Alban Mexican Restaurante. We found great food with great service at great prices. We headed back to Mountain View Campground with just enough time to set up a sunset time-lapse and fly Mr. Zumi with Damien and his unique Typhoon H.